Pasig River, unlike any other, it has its own stories, its own lessons, and its heritage to tell. It reflects the unyielding resolve of the Bayanihan spirit of the Filipino. Bringing the Pasig River back to life mirrors our ongoing journey towards a brighter future for our country. How well we do here will reflect our efforts in other areas of the country and how successful we are at improving and leaving the country a better place than we found it. Rest assured that apart from our enthusiasm and optimism, the First Lady and I will provide all our support and commitment to the completion of this project, and hopefully in 3 years' time, that will be our goal. Concerned government agencies and our dear partners in the private sector have worked tirelessly to complete this project just as how we have envisioned it. The collaboration of the DSUD, member agencies, Interagency Council for the Pasig River Development, the City of Manila, and the excellent upkeep of the showcase area since it opened it's to the public in January. Thank you for the dedication to the project. Coupled with this is an appreciation and a reminder to sustain the cleanliness, the beauty, the security of the Esplanade, to ensure that this whole project will be finished within the target time frame that we have put. So let us keep up the pace and the hard work and ensure that the Pasig River becomes a place of rest, recreation, and pride for our people and our country. Fellow Filipinos, it is a new era of revival and resurgence for our country. This is an exciting time for us all as we bring back the glory of our nation little by little. Let us rally behind this advocacy and contribute in our own way to save the Pasig River, supporting and participating in the efforts, government and its partners, to help maintain its cleanliness, and that will go a long way. Let us work together, make this happen so that we can realize our promise to the Filipino people, a safe, comfortable, productive, sustainable, and peaceful future for everyone. Thank you very much, and I wish everyone a very pleasant
So ito po, katatapos lang ng inauguration ng Pasig River Esplanade Phase 2. Inulan pero nakapag-speech naman po si PBBM kanina. And yung fireworks ay napanood nyo rin po sa ating video. So mamaya after makaalis ng mga VIP dito, try nating mapasyalan para makita yung itsura nga in actual ng Phase 2 sa gabi. Ayan, lakas ng ulan. So abangan nyo po yung pagpunta natin doon sa Phase 2 ng Pasig River Esplanade Project. So nakausap natin yung security guard, no? Bawal pa pala, sa Friday pa daw pwede. And grabe, ayan, nakikidlat. So pakita ko na lang muna yung itsura ngayon ng Pasig River Esplanade Phase 1. Dahil by Tuesday pa natin masisilip and makikita nga yung Phase 2, yung kadugtong po nito. And kumikidlat na rin. So by Tuesday pa daw, sabi nung mga security personnel na nandito. And paalis na rin yung mga VIPs dito. Ayan yung mga water hyacinth. Biglang dami, no? Dahil sa malakas na buhos rin po ng ulan. Ayan. Natrap yan kanina doon ng ating mga taga PRCMO. So balik na lang tayo some other day. Ano ba ngayon? Sunday. So Tuesday pa. Para maipakita sa inyo, no, yung itsura ng Phase 2. So sa ngayon, ayan, parang hindi na tapos or so kanina nga dahil sa lakas ng kulog, tapos kumikidlat pa, and ito kita nyo naman napakalakas ng ulan. Parang hindi minadali na lang din yung program, no, yung inauguration. And ayan, alisa na rin yung mga VIPs dito. Sobrang traffic na rin dito sa sa labas. Ayan. Abang na lang tayo by Tuesday. Sayang, no, inulan, pero buti at napanood natin yung fireworks kanina. So doon tayo nag-abang sa may MacArthur Bridge. So yan po muna yung ating update. Maraming salamat po. God bless and ingat po tayong lahat, no. Balik na lang tayo some other day. Lakas na ng ulan.